Hi, myself Dr. Chandan Kumar Punda. I am from Odisa. I am an orthopedician. So I came to Asian Pen Academy to learn about musculoskeletal ultrasonography. I should thankful to Dr. Debjyoti Sir and Dr. Chinmoy Roy sir very much. They have taught me in these 4 days about in detail each and every structures under USG, musculoskeletal ultrasound, and also hands-on practice. We got an ample of time to hands-on practice and visualize each and every structure. Thank you so much all the staffs of Asian Pen Academy. All again I should thanks Dr. Debjyoti Sir and Dr. Chinmoy Roy sir. Interest in teaching and teaching is very good quality. It is I will suggest everyone, if you are interested to learn musculoskeletal ultrasound, have a experience, have a first basics knowledge from both these teachers. Thank you so much.